Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the job opportunities for interns. So IBM company is hiring interns and they are going to give the salary for the package for these internship would be 40,000 per month. So IBM company is hiring interns for research purpose, for quantum purpose, for cloud purpose. So these are all the roles that are available: research intern, then intern with respect to AI, then research intern hybrid cloud, research intern security, and the salary would be 40,000. The location is Bangalore or Gurgaon, and the qualifications is students or freshers, those who would like to apply, should be from the passed out year 2024 or 2025 or 2026, right? So each role have some specific skills. So let me show you those skill set as well, right? So these are all the roles that they are hiring for. Research intern quantum, right? So it's a summer internship program wherein you can apply, and this is the requirement ID. The company name is also provided, and it is officially published on their websites, careers.ibm.com. If you will look over there, you would get all these internship opportunities. So these are the required technical and professional expertise that is required. So excellent coding skills in Java, Python, data structures, algorithms, problem solving, AI, ML fundamentals, all these things is required. Apart from that, libraries, frameworks, then Jupyter notebooks, deep learning fundamentals. So these things are required. Then research intern AI. So here skills required are again Java, Python, data structures, DSA, problem solving skills are required. Right. And this is again a summer internship program that the IBM does every year. And the category for this particular is software engineering. So these particular openings are at multiple locations. So you can click over here and you can see Bangalore as well as Gurgaon. So anyone who is interested to have an internship in IBM company, they can apply for this particular opportunities and see these particular kind of things, this particular kind of information is shared absolutely free of cost with you. You're not being charged anything. So I would request everyone, especially the interns or the freshers who are watching this video, to please hit like and share this video to the maximum group in your network and in your WhatsApp groups as well, so that it reaches out to the maximum people. These days, the internships and the freshers job opportunities have opened, so which is a very good sign, which is actually a very positive sign from the market perspective. Now, imagine if you are working in a company like IBM, you're getting paid 40,000. And what about the knowledge that you would get from them? So that is again a great deal. So you should definitely apply for these roles. And I would suggest have a good practice in the coding skills in Java or in Python, because these things would be important. And Java or Python or these kind of programming languages are not only limited to just software engineering, those are also required these days for the automation purpose. So have the command on one of the programming language so that you can mold your career, you can have a good direction in your career, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe our channel, right? And at the same time, we would be coming up with more and more videos. So stay tuned for more updates, and we would be posting many requirements with respect to freshers experience so that you can apply for those particular job opportunities, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.